All right, for this lesson, you are going to read a story called India's Ingenious Solar Canals. Now, ingenious means like a really good idea, really smart. And then canals are, excuse me, waterways. So essentially rivers that people have built. So they're straight. They usually bring water into a city, and they're man-made. So there are these canals in India, and then solar has to do with some solar panels that they're going to use. Okay, so here's the story. Remember, you can listen to it by using this link if you want to. You're going to underline key details, and then you're also going to answer this question at the bottom. Now, it talks about what problems are solved by the use of these canals. A number of the texts that we are going to read in this unit, follow a problem and solution structure. So they describe a problem, it introduces a problem, and then it shows how the problem was solved. Okay? So it tells us something that's wrong, and then it tells us how they fixed it. So some words that you'll see, you might see problem, concern, an issue, drawback. That's all talking about the problem and what's wrong. And then they'll talk about solution, answer, so that, help, solve. That all talks about how they fixed it, or how an idea of a solution would fix the problem. Problem and solution can be both things. So this story talks about a problem and then also talks about a solution to that problem. So you have to look for what problems they are solving. So they have these canals, there's some problem with it, and then they fix it somehow with some solar panels. All right? So if you need help, obviously let me know. I'm more than happy to help you out. Good luck.